Very good morning, dear kiddies. This is your Varsha ma'am. And kiddies, have you all had your breakfast? Say yes or no. Yes, very good. For this, you have to say, yes, ma'am, I had my breakfast. What do you have to say? Yes, ma'am, I had my breakfast. Very good. Yes. What's your question? Oh, you're asking me. Thank you. Yes, I had my yummy breakfast. My tummy is full now. Okay, now this is our story time. Of course. So this is the time which we always looking forward and waiting very eagerly, right? Yes, and the time has come. This is our story time. Yes, okay. So far we have seen some stories. Today, what shall we see? And which story about whom? About any humans? No, already we have seen about humans, right? About an insect? No, that is also already done. So, animals. And I like elephant and monkey very much. So, I'm very happy to share a story of an elephant and a monkey. Are you all excited to know the story about them? Yes. So, once upon a time, there was a very beautiful forest. See how beautiful the forest is, full of greeny plants and trees everywhere. See the clouds. Wow, it is so clear. So such a beautiful forest it was. And there lived a very cute elephant called Appu. Yes. The elephant name is Appu. See how small he is? Yes. So this elephant is a baby elephant. One day it was walking through the forest in search of food. While going, it saw a beautiful area which is filled with a special green color. Okay, this is looking so nice. I have to cross this way anyhow. I have to walk on this. But it was not ready to walk on that grass. It was so beautiful and the green color, it was very amazing. But no other way, right? The elephant has to go by this way. So the elephant stepped on it. But it was a trap. Yes, by a hunter. The elephant fell inside a deep pit. So sad, no? Yeah, the elephant started shouting. Meow! Meow! Help me! Help me! So it started shouting aloud like this. But no one was there. The elephant was shouting for a long time and it was tired also. So it was looking for a way to escape. Can I find any way over here? By this side? No. By this side? No. Then how can I escape from this place? I have to go. I'm also very hungry. I need to search for some food. So it was thinking and crying a lot for help. By the time it heard a sound, the elephant heard a sound of some other animal. The elephant rised up and it tried to see who's there. There was a Monkey. Yes, you're right. That is a monkey. And the monkey heard some sound which was crying for help. And it saw into the pit that an elephant was fallen inside. Yes, the monkey's name is Jagu. Yes. So Jagu came near the pit and asked, "Dear elephant, what happened to you?" The elephant said everything. How did it came by that way, and how did it fell down into the pit, and how long it is suffering inside it. So the elephant started asking help to the monkey. "Could you please help me, dear monkey?" it asked. And the elephant was pleased. "Please, my dear Jagu, help me to escape. I'm very hungry and I'm so tired. Please help me." So it was crying like this. What the monkey said is what the Jagu said. Actually, I wish to help you, dear Apu, but see, I'm so tiny. You're so big. So how can I help you? I'm not able to. How can I carry your weight? It's not possible. No. But I wish to help you. Like this, the monkey wished to help. Monkey, who's that? Yes, our Jagu was very pleased to help the Apu, right? So it started thinking. "Dear Apu, for helping you, I'm not able to be alone. So I need some of my friends or your friends to help. I'll go and search for them." "Okay, dear Jagu, please go and search for them. Make it fast. I'm suffering a lot inside this. Please make it fast." "Okay, you don't worry. I'll come very fast." So the Jagu went to his friends and said, "Dear friends, I saw an elephant named Apu which fallen inside a deep pit. The poor Apu needs our help now." But what the Jagu's friends said, "Oh Jagu, you're right, but how can we help? We are so small in size. We are so tiny. But the elephant has a giant body. How can we be able to help?" "Don't worry. We have to help the elephant. Let's make it possible. Let's use our brain and help our friend." And we are also not having time to search for Apu's friends. So we have to join our hands to help Apu. So I'm going to help Apu. If you're ready, come along with me. Let's go and help him. Okay, we are also ready to help to Apu along with you. Yes, come on, hurry up. Let's go. So they were running very fast to help Apu. Finally, they have reached Apu. Yes, and they were planning, how shall we help? How can we make Apu to come out of that deep pit? They were thinking and thinking and thinking, and they found that they saw so many stones and pebbles in their forest. So they started throwing all those one by one inside the pit by saying, "Dear Apu, we are going to throw these stones into the pit. You just put your steps over it. Little by little, the pit would get closed and you can easily come up. That was a nice plan, right? Yes, they started to throwing the small pebbles and stones inside the pit, and the Apu was so happy that yes, we are going to escape now, right? Yes, so they collected so many stones and started throwing into the yes, deep pit. Yeah, they were doing it very fast. Until the pit get filled completely. Kids, see how they are all struggling. Shall we help them? Yes, come on, let's help. Yeah, throw the stones. Yes, very good. Yes, finally, with the help of those monkeys, and as the elephant can able to come out now, right? Yes, the pit has risen up, and it's time for Apu to come out of the pit. Yes, see how closer it is. Yeah, Apu came out very happily now. Then Apu thanked his friends in a very polite manner for saving him. Thank you so much, dear friends. I'm not able to imagine my day without you. If you didn't come by this side, what would have happened to me? Oh my God, it is unimaginable. Thank you so much for your help. After hearing this, Jagu said, "Oh dear, no need. Now I wish to join you with me as a friend. If you wish, what do you say?" For that, Apu agreed very happily. "I'm so happy to be a friend of you." So Jagu was very happy that Apu is ready to be his friend. Then Jagu was having a great wish for a long time, and Jagu opened it up in front of our Apu. "Dear Apu, I have a wish for a very long time. Could you please fulfill it for me?" "With pleasure, dear. What is your wish?" "I wish to ride on you." "Wow, that's so sweet. Come on, have a ride on me." So very happily, Apu and Jagu became friends, and they were going all around the forest playing and dancing very happily each and every day. Okay, dears, have you ever had a ride on an elephant? Yes, it would be so nice, right? Yeah, so now our Jagu also enjoyed the ride. Okay, have you all enjoyed the story of Jagu and Apu? Very nice. Yes, I know that all my kiddies would always enjoy the stories. And dear kiddies, this is time to say bye. Okay, no problem. Very soon I'll come with some other new stories and meet you. Bye bye. Take care. Be healthy. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you, my dear kiddies.